Hello everyone. Today we talk about the Chinese character first one is chong. Okay. The chong, the first tone has 3 characters. Okay. The second tone chong has 3 characters. Third tone chong 1 character. Chong first tone 1 character. Okay. So we start from the chong. Okay. This is chong. So this part is river. The middle part is like a core. So it means of the river shocked brush by the water. Okay, in the middle of the river. So this is forward another structure. Okay. So this means heat. So it means fast forward shock. Okay. So its third meaning means pouring water. First means the intersection of the transportation arteries. Okay. Fifth meaning strong, violent. Sixth meaning fast forward break heat. Seventh meaning preposition facing toward to. Okay. This is chong. Okay. So this top part means hill. So this part means grandfather. Okay. So his means the most towering, highest mountain in the mountains. Okay. Highest hill in the mountains. Second meaning tall. Third meaning revere, worship, pursuing. Okay. This means chong. Okay. Chong means pet. Okay. The top like a horse. The bottom like a snake. Keep the snake at home. Okay. So snake is similar to the dragon. So it can bring peace and prosperity, good fortune. Okay. The second meaning, a soft spot for love. Third meaning, love. Okay. This is chong. Chong means snake. Okay, insects. Okay. Snake. Zhong. Okay. Means heavy. This is like people. This is like a bag. Means a heavy language. Okay. Heavy language. Second meaning heavy, massive. Third meaning deep level, intensity or large. First meaning large role, key. Fifth meaning respect, care. Sixth meaning adverb, deeply, vigorously. Seven meaning stacked, superimposed. Eight meaning qualifier, times, layer. Seven meaning. Nine meaning adverb, again. Okay, zhong. This means chong. Okay. So this is a river. This is the core. Okay. So the middle of the river, shocked by the water. Okay. Fast forward shock. Second meaning pouring. Third meaning pouring water. Fourth meaning intersection of transportation artery. Fifth meaning strong and violent. Sixth meaning fast heat. So meaning proposition facing forward. This is another chong. So this is a newborn baby. This is the parents. Okay. So his meaning is mouth feeding infants. Okay. The second meaning plug fill in at. Third meaning fill adding as. Full adequate adjective. This is another chong. Okay. So this character has three parts. This is hands. This is pencil. This is mortar. Okay. So hand holding pencil, pouring the mortar to the stereo peeling. Okay, to peel the stereo. Okay. Chong. Okay. Thank you for watching.